Okay, so I got my super heavy brick of a phone, the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G, so I needed to get some cases for it. So here's some cases I ordered. This one's from Samsung, and it's a hard plastic clear case. Then we've got a Nilkin Cam Shield Pro case, and it has a sliding door to cover up the camera lenses right here. Then we've got Ghost Tech Covert 5, it looks like. And this one seems to be the heaviest, thickest case that I've actually opened. I haven't opened all of them, but I don't know what that is. But this is a Caseborn. Oh, those are military people. Vanguard series. I think I'll use this one today. Then I got my belt loop pouch. This one, AGOZ. And here we go, glass screen protectors. And Spigen case here. I think I took this one out already. And one more belt loop case in case the other one isn't thick enough. I have more coming in the mail. This is all I have right now. Here's my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I ordered an OtterBox symmetry case with it, and they picked out an OtterBox charger, fast charger for me. Looks like up to 75% in 30 minutes charge. And here's one of the cases that I wear on my belt with a Spigen case inside. I don't use the Velcro closure because Velcro wears out fast. I use the magnetic closure. Here's my new Samsung Galaxy phone. It's heavy, it's like a brick. No charger, no cable. So there it is. I'll have to retire my LG V30 phone because it got damaged. So this is what I'll be using from now on for my videos. Okay.